You probably feel your age, maybe a new ache or wrinkle. But imagine an animal that just doesn't. Some creatures on Earth defy aging entirely, showing no decline in function or fertility as decades pass. Take the immortal jellyfish, Turritopsis doanei. It can literally reverse its aging process, turning back into a juvenile polyp whenever stressed. It's like pressing a biological reset button again and again. Then there's the naked mole rat, living over 30 years, 10 times longer than similar-sized rodents. They possess extraordinary cellular repair mechanisms, making them highly resistant to cancer and oxidative stress. Scientists call this negligible senescence. These animals aren't just living long, they maintain peak health throughout their lives. Their bodies simply don't accumulate age-related damage like ours do. Understanding their secrets could revolutionize medicine. Imagine therapies inspired by jellyfish regeneration or mole rat cancer immunity. The key to our own longevity might be hidden in their unique biology. These incredible animals challenge everything we thought about aging. What other animal secrets do you think could transform human health? Share your thoughts below.